Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you and your family is doing great. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about the recent transit that is going to take place. Jupiter is going to transit into the Cancer, how it is going to affect each moon sign and the ascendant. Along with this, I will be going to help you out with few remedies that you should do to get the maximum benefit out of this particular transit. This transit is a very good transit which is taking place. Jupiter is going to move into the Cancer, which is the exalted position of the Jupiter. So Jupiter will be going to sit in the exalted position, will be blessing a lot of the signs here. And if you're doing the remedies as per your Lagna and Moon sign during this phase, you will be seeing a lot of success and will help you to enhance your luck too. So this particular transit is going to take place on 18th of October till 5th of December. From 18th of October till 11th of November, Jupiter will be moving straight and then it will get retrograde till 5th of December. So in this video, I'm going to discuss in brief about each ascendant. So in this video, we have covered up till Aries till Virgo, and in the next video, we are going to cover up from Libra till Pisces. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you're getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So for the Aries ascendant and the Aries moon sign, this particular transit is a favorable transit for you. This particular transit is going to bring a lot of good news for you. So this is a time this particular transit is taking place in your fourth house. Fourth house, which is connected to your home, which is connected to your comfort, and which is also connected to the basic education too. So this is a time, if you are a student, then there is a high possibility you are going to get success and your focus and the concentration in the studies will be going to increase. If you are an adult, then there is a very high possibility you are going to enjoy the luxury, and in the career wise also you are going to see the name, fame, success and respect as well as promotion. This is a time where you will be going to get the goddess Lakshmi's blessings, as well as there is a high possibility you may purchase a new house, or maybe unexpectedly you can get your ancestor property too. Any legal case which is stuck, especially related to your home, related to the home, will you will be able to overcome it. And this is a time where you will be going to get more comfort, you will be enjoying with your family. And but this is a time for the celebration too, but this will not be so great time when it comes to the expenses. There will be high on expenses. Keep the eye on your expenses, and you need to take care of your health too. Major health issues that you can face during this problem is heart related problem, lungs related problem, kidney related problem, or any type of minor infections or minor accidents too. To overcome the challenges and to enhance the luck during this time, make sure that you are donating bananas to the needy every Thursday. And the day one this transit is going to take place on 18th of October, try to donate yellow towel or try to donate yellow color clothes to needy. This is going to help you out to enhance your luck. Taurus, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in the third house. So, this is good news for you. This is a good time if you are looking for promotion. It is a good time if you are into a business, then you are going to see the financial growth in the business. This is a good time for the singles who are looking to get married. There is a very high possibility during this phase, there is a high possibility you will end up attracting the right partner. This is overall seems like a great time. Whatever your desires you have and you are manifesting since long, there is a high possibility all your desires will come true. This is a time where your relationship with your siblings, where your relationship with others will also going to improve. But this is not so great time when there may be you may notice ego clashes with your bosses, or the ego clashes with your manager or with your father too. That part you need to be conscious with, as well as health wise too. Health wise, you need to be conscious with any type of throat infection, kidney, gallbladder, as well as stomach related issues, and need to be conscious with any type of minor accident too. To overcome the challenges, make sure if you're not eating the non-veg, start wearing the Rudraksha. And the best Rudraksha that you should wear is a six-mukhi Rudraksha. Along with this, you should try to donate bananas to the needy every Thursday to enhance your luck, as well as donate yellow color clothes to the needy every Thursday. This is going to help you out to enhance your luck and will be going to help you out to overcome the obstacles and the challenges. Overall, seems like a great time. Don't waste your time. Try to add on a new skills. Try to add on new education skills, and down the line you will notice that the skills and education will start paying off. Gemini, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in the second house. Second house, which is a house of the income, which is a house of your speech, which is a house of your family too. So during this time, this is a great phase. You will be going to see the power in your words. People will take you seriously. This is a good time for the expansion of the income too, for the expansion of the savings too. There is a very high possibility if you're looking for a job change, then there is a high possibility you will be able to change your job easily, or if your promotion is due, then there is a very high possibility you will be get promoted. If you are into any, if you are stuck in any type of legal case or any type of past issues which is going on in your life, or is any of your enemies is disturbing your life, then there is a very high possibility you will be able to overcome it. It's a good time if you're looking to get engaged, or if you're looking to get married, then this is a great time. There is a very high possibility that you will, there will be the expansion of the family also being noticed. This is a good time overall seems like, but you need to be conscious whatever you speak, because you need to be little bit calmer. Try to do meditation, try to work on it, because when the planetary are aligned positive for you, lot of time it has been noticed, like planets are aligned positive for the people, but they don't take actions in the life. In that case also you miss the opportunity. So if you take the actions in your life during this time, because this is a great time overall, you are going to see the growth. Only the thing that you need to take in care of is your health. Even health wise also, if any past issue is going on health wise, then gradually slowly you are going to see the improvement. This is a great time if you have an interest in learning astrology, if you have an interest in occult science, because your interest in occult science is going to increase, and you are going to get the success in the astrology and occult science also. So this is a good time to start learning this subject, because you will be having a different questions related to astrology, occult science, and your interest in overall. For the Gemini people, seems like a great time, not only in the astrology, but if you have any interest in any subject related to the research, then this is a good time to work on, and you're going to get the success to overcome the challenges and to enhance more your luck. Make sure that you are chanting the mantra connected to the Jupiter, as well as if possible try to donate yellow color clothes or yellow color towel in any of the nearby temple on the regular basis. If you get an opportunity, try to visit to a temple, or regularly if you pray uh, to Lord Shiva also, then also you are going to see a lot of improvement. Cancer. So for you, this is a life-changing event for you. So for you now, the Jupiter is going to start a new phase for you. Jupiter in the Cancer will be sitting in your first house. So your way of thinking will be changed. You will become more religious, more into the spirituality. Your interest in the religious activity or in the occult science is going to increase. But you need to take care of your weight gain also during this time. This is a great time if you're looking to attract a partner, or you're looking for the expansion of a family. This is also a great time if you're into a business, then you're going to see the expansion in the business. If you are into a job and the career, there is a very high possibility of a promotion in the job and the career too. Overall seems like a good time. This is a time of a success. This is a time of a overall abundance in your life. Not only this, this is good time for the people who are into anything which is connected to the speech, or anything which is connected to presenting yourself or convincing someone. If you're into a sales, if you're into a sales job, or your career is connected to the sales, then also this is a great time for you. Overall your personality will be more influencing this time. But health wise you need to be conscious, because health wise you may face ups and downs, especially weight gain problem, kidney related problem, liver related problem, throat infection related problem, and the possibility of the minor accidents too. To overcome the challenges and to get the maximum benefit out of this transit, make sure that every Thursday you are donating bananas to the needy, or on the day one this particular transit is taking place, that is on 18th of October. So make sure on 18th of October you are donating bananas to the needy. Along with this, you have to donate yellow clothes to the needy. This is going to help you out to enhance your luck and will give you a lot of abundance and bliss. Leo, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in the 12th house. So 12th house, Jupiter is going to sit in the 12th house for you. So Jupiter in the 12th house for you will make a Viprit Raj Yoga. So when this particular transit is going to take place on 18th of October, so this is a time when a lot of transformation is going to happen in your life. The way of your thinking will be changed, and maybe new things will come up in your life. Unexpected things will come up in your life. In the first go, you may feel like things are not happening good for you, but whatever is happening for you during this phase will be positive for you, because this is going to activate your Vipreet Rajyog. So whenever such transit take place and it creates a Vipreet Rajyog, so always a Vipreet Rajyog get activated when you will be able to pay off your past life rent. So this is a time in the starting, it can give you the problems, obstacles, challenges, delays, setbacks, but whatever will happen with you in the starting phase, that will be happening with you for your good. But at that time, you may feel that things are not happening better for you. So this is a time where your interest into the spirituality is going to increase. You will be going to become more religious during this time, and you will be your subconscious mind will, you want to do something big in your life during this time, due to which you may feel the disturbance in your sleeping cycle too. So you need to manage your health very well, because this is not so great time health wise. This is a time where you need to put more hard work to get the success, but for sure you are going to get the success, but only with the hard work. This is a time where your desire is going to increase, your desire to achieve something big in life, and when you will not get things as what you're looking for, that can give you the frustration, overthinking, and the problem too. So there may be the delay, there may be the obstacle, but there is no deny, you will be going to get the success, but gradually and slowly, only with the hard work. You need to take care of your health. Overall, things will be okay with you, but you need to take care of your health. And especially for the people who are settled down away from their birthplace, then this is a good time, they are going to get the success. As well as this is a time where you need to be try to connect to the universe, try to do the meditation, manage your health very well, because you may face the sleeping disorder too. To overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck, make sure on 18th of October you are donating yellow color clothes or bananas to the needy. This is going to help you out to overcome the challenges, as well as will be helping you out to enhance your luck. For you, this particular transit is going to take place in the 11th house. So this is a good time for the manifestation. Try to manifest things positively in your life. But this will not be so great time with your relationship with your bosses, with your management, or with your father too. So there may be the possibility of the ego clashes. If you're into a business, then there is a very high possibility of expansion of a business, expansion of the profit, or you may start something new also during this time. Health wise, you need to be conscious. If you are looking to conceive a child, then there is a very high possibility, if you will try during this time, there is a high possibility you will be able to conceive the child. And this is a good time for the students who are appearing in any competitive examination. Their focus and the concentration is going to increase, and there is a high possibility the result will be positive in their favor. For the people who are looking for a job change and manifesting since long to change the job, there is a high possibility that they will be able to change the job successfully, but not so great time when it comes to the health. Health wise, you need to be conscious, as well as this is a time where you need to take in care of the overweight too, because you can face a problem related to the kidney, liver, stomach related problem, digestive issues, as well as a weight gain problem. To enhance your luck and to get the maximum benefit out of this particular transit, make sure on 18th of October you're donating bananas to the needies, as well as yellow clothes. This is going to help you out to enhance your luck and to get the maximum benefits. Share your moon sign and the ascendant in the comment. In the next video, I'm going to post from Libra till Pisces. Thank you. Have a great day.